जैसे ही आप ये फॉर्म फिल करोगे आपको कंपनी की तरफ से कंफर्मेशन मेल आ जाएगा. As you can see here, hi Ajay, thank you for interested in Revolt. So in this video we are going to see each and everything in detail. So watch the video till the end. And so guys, अगर आपको मेल नहीं आ रहा है तो do not lose hope. अभी मार्केट थोड़ा सा टफ है, बट sooner or later जब मार्केट थोड़ा सा अच्छा हो जाएगा, स्टेबल हो जाएगा, then there will be more opportunities. So अभी आपके पास टाइम है. If you are not getting the response, just look back कि आपको क्या उसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट करना चाहिए, ओके क्या स्किल्स आपको लर्न करनी चाहिए. सो जस्ट लुक इनटू दैट एंड कीप अपग्रेडिंग योरसेल्फ एंड अपडेटिंग योर रिज्यूमे. सूनर और लेटर आपको जॉब जरूर मिलेगी. ऑल द बेस्ट. सो लेट्स ड्राइव इनटू आवर टुडेज जॉब अपडेट. So Revolt is hiring for the post of quality assurance analyst, and the salary here you can expect is up to 6 lakh per annum, and it may vary. So both fresher and experienced candidate can easily apply for this application, and this is going to be a completely work from home. So let's see the job role and responsibilities. So as a quality assurance analyst, so you have to identify the success and failure of a work performed by the quality control, and you have to report the issues to the quality assurance team. So इसमें कौन कौन अप्लाई कर सकता है? So any graduate from any stream can easily apply, and this requirement is you should have a good communication skills, and apart from this, if you have a knowledge of Google Sheet or Google Slides, then it will be plus for you. So let's see how you can apply for this application. So here you will see how to apply for Revolt. Just scroll down and click here to apply. So I will put the link in the description as well as in the comment section. From there you guys can easily apply. And अगर आपने अभी तक टेक्स्ट बुक और Amazon के लिए अप्लाई नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से जाके अप्लाई कर लीजिए. The link is in the description as well as in the I button. From there you guys can easily apply. Okay, so let's fill out this application form. Just click here to apply. So you will be redirected to the official page, and here you can see revolt.com. Okay, so you can directly search in Google if you want to verify it. So we always post 100% verified and genuine jobs. So here you will see apply for the quality assurance analyst. So now let's fill out this application form. Click here. So in the general information, just write your name, your email ID, your phone number. In the phone number first, you need to select here India. Then only you will be able to write the correct phone number. Just write your phone number. From here, select the country India. Just leave the current company as it is. Work location, just select India remote. So now here, just upload your resume. So in the equal opportunity information, from here select your gender. So this option you can leave as it is. So here you are getting some questions in employer branding. From here you can select social media. So have you met at the conference or event? Just leave this section as it is. So skills and experience, from here select no, select 0 to 1. The notice period, from here select immediate, select no, I don't need a visa to work permit in the above location. Just select I'm a robot and click on submit application. So once you submit your application, so within an hour you will receive the confirmation mail from the company. So here you can see, hi Ajay, thank you for interested in Revolt as a quality assurance analyst. Okay, and here they have mentioned each and everything, like every application is carefully evaluated by the real person. Once they verify your resume, and they will go through your resume, and if they found that your resume is aligned with the job requirement, then definitely you will be getting the mail from the company. Okay, and if your resume don't get selected, then you will not receive the further mail from the company. So please remember this. So make your resume as per the job requirement. Okay, and if you find any difficulties while filling out this application form, or if you had any other question, do let me know in the comment section. And for most of the videos, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.